Check it out, UAU, which is a subunit of Dreamcatcher. I don't know all the names, but I do know who's part of this subunit, being Shua, Yon. I still haven't done a Dreamcatcher deep dive. It's supposed to have happened months ago, and I haven't done that yet. I stand here to apologize and take full accountability for that. I'm a scammer. I'm a scammer. It looked interesting. I think I looked at the teaser on stream. Yeah, I did. That's how I even knew this was dropping, and then it got recommended in Discord, so now we're here. If you like this video, like it. Okay, just leave a like. Okay, subscribe if you want to. Check out the Patreon for additional content and stuff. It's up there. The Twitch for additional content and stuff. It's down there. This stuff is UAU present. One of my Discord members and mods loves Geo. Hello. Hello. That was the thumbnail. Sorry. Let's continue.
It's like a paradigm, yeah. What's on your mind? Stop acting like you're mine.
Who's the blonde? You're pretty. That's you, all right? Oh my god.
What's on your mind? Stop acting
wait, everybody's
like
pretty. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me lock in. Yo, why her tone like that? Hold on. Hold on. You had me at face card on 10, but then you spoke and it elevated.
Start from the line, hop on my time.
Sounds kind of tropical.
Like it, so to an emotion.
Oh, hello, who are you? Hello? Hello? You dropped something. Oh, never mind. My fault.
Just a reminder. Don't wait, don't say we're late. Come on, let's make same pace touch.
Oh, help me. Oh, help me. I wasn't familiar with their game. I wasn't familiar with the game that they played. I'm new to this. I'm still working on my free throw. I didn't know that y'all bought out like this. I did not know. Hey. Hold on. Oh, you are electric. Yo. Hold on. Yo, this trio's crazy. What is that instrument? Yo, what is that? Too much. Like what even I'm hyperventilating. Hey, no pinky touching. Oh, I like you in particular a lot. Oh. This sounds so good, man. What the heck? You are tripping. You got a sledgehammer? Yo, they're animated? no. Oh no 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 no. Yo, there's another one though. Oh. We check out the whole EP. It's only three more. It's only three more. It's only three more. It's only three more songs. It's only three more. We're gonna check out the whole EP. Yep, I'm gonna listen to this through all the way once without pausing, okay? Because I paused a lot. I do apologize for that. I just wasn't familiar with how they played this game of basketball. Okay, I wasn't familiar with how they ball for real. Yoo Hyun, you are electric. Sure, you damn. Yep. One of my Discord members loves you. I love you too. You were dope. But I feel like these two had a chokehold on me in particular. So let's run it back one more time. I like this song, The Tropic. Or whatever that tropic steel drum is. I love that so freaking much. That islandy feel. The video didn't capture island, but the song did, and I kind of like the contrast of the two. Just delicioso. Okay, I'm not gonna pause. I will take my hand away from the mouse.
Don't think too much, it's like a paradigm, yeah. What's on your mind? Stop acting like you're mine, yeah.
Sheesh.
Chasing time.
Hello.
Start from the line, 우린 hop on my time machine. I like it, 서툴러 내 emotion. Tripping.
She's fine, man. They're all fine.
Can I mention? Tripping.
Or she just walked like a boss.
Remention. Then here we go again, so maybe just a reminder. We are shit to man. Don't wait, don't say we're late. To man, let's make same pace, touch base. To man, from fake ice break all day. To man, don't wait, don't say we're
Choked on my own life. Hey, this style is cooked, man. Too much. So I would just go. 101. This part is so hard for no reason. For no reason. Look at that shot, bro. This animated scene is tough. Oof. I feel like there's gonna be an audience out there that doesn't like the choice sonically to make that chorus a bit more like staccato, a bit more dry on the vocals. I like it. I think it's unique. I think it's a fun choice on the vocals. I vibe with this song so much. But why did they all look so dang good though? Let me find out. I mean, geez, especially shoots like I don't know. It's kind of a tie for Shua and Yuyeon for me. I don't know who's winning. All I know is that I'm losing. Let's continue though. We're checking out the whole thing. So Sacrifice. Let's check that out. And And like, they just happened to have dropped a performance video 15 hours ago. It did it for Attitude too. Did they drop one for every single one? Hold on. Let me lock in. Perks of recording stuff late. Hello, glasses. Who have red hair? The only one who had red hair is you. And you look mad different with the glasses though. Hello. Sorry. Wow. Hold up, what is this song?
Just want you to sacrifice yourself.
I can pass away happy.
Why can I describe this? Just want you to sacrifice your soul for me.
I'm trying to be that bottle for real. Yo, let me find out that they are about to do.
Look at us now, we've come this far. Can you tell me? Don't know goodbyes. From time to time, I realize it. Deep in our mind, we're a mirror mind. Though we can be hoping something else. When I'm down blue, the time is upside down. Can you try to stay around by me?
Why she sing so good though? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Choreography. Choreography.
I don't wanna say this. I think you're the right one. Just want you to sacrifice yourself for me. How could I
Word?
be like this? Why can't I describe this? Just want you to sacrifice your soul for me.
You want me to sacrifice my soul?
You're like a fire warming me up through the night, but I know you can't.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm easy. I'm gonna go do it. Yeah, I was sold. I was sold the moment you took the chairs out and the cane. I can't lie. Oh my goodness. Jeez. She is pressure.
You're like a fire warming me up through the night, but I know you can't expect the love you give me.
I wish I.
Won't be lying, saying I apologize. Can you try to understand?
Yo, I'm trying to be a cane, bro.
Time is upside down. Can you try to stay around by me? Send me the right move. Then take me out of town. Will you comfort me the way?
This is hot, man. This.
I don't wanna say this. I think you're the right one. Just want you to sacrifice yourself for me. How could I be like this? Why can't I describe this? Just want you to sacrifice your soul for me.
Oh.
Your many colors fade away. Oh, I'm breathing alive. Oh, I'm breathing alive. But I'm worried that you might be feeling farther than I want you to. 'Cause I wanna give you more than a good night. I don't wanna.
I'm sorry, Geraldine. I'm sorry, Geraldine.
I think you're the right one. Just want you to sacrifice yourself for me. How could I be like this? Why can't I describe this? Just want you to sacrifice your soul for me.
this might have been the hottest. Oh, this might have been the hottest performance video I've seen in a minute. No, I dropped some crazy pressure too recently. So yeah, I don't. Oh my gosh, I knew from the start that this could be crazy, but yo, you are pressure. You are pressure.
Can you try to stay around by me?
Why their voice sound that good though? Why her voice sound that good though, bruh? I gotta click to the next one. I'm not even gonna comment on this one. I'm down though. Sacrifice, I'm down. Go on to attitude. What the hell was that? This is a performance video.
Hiding underneath like I'm used to be. Are you following me?
Yo, I am. Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. That's just what it is. I'm cooked. It's over.
Keeping everything all inside of me, but I'm willing to see. I envy the selfish.
Oh, it's over.
I'll change me, I'll be crazy.
Yo, where'd y'all come from? I'm gonna need y'all to skedaddle. I'm gonna need y'all to cut. I'm gonna need y'all to dip. I'm gonna need y'all to. Fuck no! This ain't right.
It's a turn around, break me.
Nah.
I'm talking about the matters.
You are so. Listen to this.
I'm talking about the matters on my mind. Talking about the treasures on my mind. Yeah. Don't take it too hasty. Let me take it through, baby. I like that. All I want to say is I love this. Talk about the attitude. All I want to say is I love this. Talk about the attitude. 조금은 어색하지만 I like
My oxygen. I'm oxygen depleted. I'm depleted.
Driving a drop top just like that.
Oh, this is sick.
All this time I wasn't being myself. All you need is just a pinch of my advice. I'm talking about the
God, that part of the song is. Hubba, that is awesome. That is sonically one of the most beautiful background instrumentals. This might be my favorite song on the EP.
all I wanna say is I love this.
I'm not gonna lie, I really do like this part. However, there's another part of me that can hear another version of it, taking what they had going on with the womp, 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 and then like carrying that into the chorus versus going hard hitting. Now, granted, I like this too, but there's another version. There's another version of this that they could have went. I really like this one. This is probably my favorite song off the EP so far. This is insane. Why are their performance videos shot like just straight up MVs? This is an MV.
Talk about the attitude. All I wanna say is I love this.
Hey,
Talk about the attitude. 조금은 어색하지만
I think I've been reacting with my mouth open the whole time. That's embarrassing. She got some rage on it too.
I know it, oh, I'm feeling now. That's who I am, who I really am, right? So, talk about that attitude.
Holy shoot. Don't you look back? Ugh. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, I'm so fucking cooked. I'm so cooked. Oh, man. Hold on. We got one more. Go to good luck. At least this doesn't have a performance video. I can still tweak out. They better not give him a music video with the saxophone. If they do it, I'm a riot. Let me find out. Okay. It's more like city. This is a hold up. It's a bad look if I propose to one of them, just spur of the moment type thing. They don't know me, I don't know them, but hypothetically. Sounds so good. Are they the main vocalists? I hate her. I hate her. I hate her. We're done. I'm leaving. I've had enough of UAU. You got it. Dreamcatcher, let me know your thoughts down below, because who cares about mine, for real?